welcome back to a brand new year, 2019. Happy New Year to all of you. Welcome to the first tutorial of this year. I did ask a couple of you via Instagram what kind of makeup look you'd like to see next. I had a few suggestions, and one of them was like a warm half cut crease and a soft glam, so I decided to incorporate both of those two together. This is warm half cut crease. I mean, it's not like an intense half cut crease, but it's like very subtle and very like soft glam. Like if you're going somewhere or going to work or just want to look put together for like a birthday party or something, just like, you know, super simple. So if you would like to see how I created this eye makeup look and the face makeup, then go ahead and please keep watching. I did already prime with the 1 Heck of a Blot primer. For concealer, we're gonna use the Maybelline Master. I like doing my eyes first just because in case there's some fallout from the eyeshadows, you can just clean it up. And for the palette today, this is, I don't know if this is high-end or not, but it's, I don't know if it's high-end. I have no idea. But this is a Ace Beauty Grandoise palette. I got it in a BoxyCharm. I go in with this shade called Patchouli. This one right here. Put that all over the lid. Now we're going to go in with a shade called Cinnamon. And I like to look down so I can see the entire lid space. And we can pat this. Looks kind of like, wow, that's a lot of pigment, but we're gonna blend it out. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some more of that cinnamon. Place it on the entire lid and then just blend out again. Okay, I'm going to get a more like dense brush. This is from Luxie. I did get it also like in an Ipsy glam bag or something like that. And we're gonna use this shade called Poppy. I'm gonna pat this on here, in the outer corner. Just pressing it on the outer corner. Alright, so we have some more like saturation on the outer corner. I'm kind of liking how it looks because there's nothing too intense, so looks fine. I'm gonna go back with my blending brush and kind of just blend out a little bit, not too much, because we're gonna go in with the concealer again to kind of like half cut the crease. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand, and we're gonna stamp it right here towards the middle of the eye, and then blend out some shadow and then put a lid color. See that? Okay, and then now we're gonna go in the Poppy shade and then just blend a little, kind of like fading it out. You can pick up more color, but I'm just fading it out so we can blend in together. Okay, we're gonna use a shade called Prime Rose. We're gonna basically place that right on the inner corner where we put the concealer. I'm using a Morphe M167 brush, and we're gonna pat this. Right where we put the concealer. I'm actually going to pick up the shade Myrtile, this one right here, and kind of like mesh the two colors together because I just feel like, I don't know, it's a little bit too simple. I know it's shimmery, but I really want to see how it's going to look. It's just right here in the middle. Okay, I didn't do that. It wasn't really, doesn't look bad. I ordered the new Milani stick foundation and the two concealers and like some stuff from Milani, and I'm waiting for it to come today, and the mailman hasn't got here, and I'm just like, I wanted to film with it so bad. But this is the one that I have been really liking at the moment. This is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. But it's a very like nice coverage for me. It's good for every day. Like, I've been using this constantly and it's just a really good foundation. Let's see the difference. I mean, it's like a very sheer, but it's really nice. Then this is the same concealer that I used earlier. I just put it on there. I'm gonna use that same one and I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna use my same foundation brush to just blend the two together. I have this powder from BH Cosmetics, and I also have this Fenty Universal powder, which I've been using like to set my face with this foundation, and it works completely amazing. But I'm gonna see how this looks today. We're gonna use the powder instead, since we are like kind of have everything drugstore here that I pulled out. Just very lightly setting everything. My package would come when I'm filming, and I already put on foundation. I got a free gift, little haulage, little samples. I'm gonna review this for y'all. The concealers, I got two of them because I wasn't sure which one I was gonna be. In the middle of this tutorial, there's a haul for you, by the way. I'm gonna see this. The stick. Oh yeah, that's gonna match me. Back to the tutorial. We're done with the powder. Sorry. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in Precious Petals. I love this and I stopped using it, and I need to like get used to this because this was my jam like in the summer of last year. I don't remember. This is from Sally's. This is the Palladio matte bronzer in the shade, what are you called? Nude Beach. For blush, we have the Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. I'm gonna move on to the eyes and bring you up closer. Same cinnamon shade and then the poppy shade, and just put it on the lower lash line. I'm gonna mix the two together. I'm gonna also use the Wet n Wild highlighter, what I have here, and put it on the inner corner of the eye. I don't have a brown eyeliner from the drugstore, but if you have one, please use it. I have the Marc Jacobs one and the Milk Cosmetics one. I'm gonna use Marc Jacobs today. I'm just gonna put this on the waterline. I'm gonna put like this on here, and then we're also gonna add some falsies, which is also why I'm gonna add this kind of like, so we have some, not just like eyelashes, and you know, coat a little bit of this. The Ofra Cosmetics Verona, also got this in a BoxyCharm in the summer. We're gonna use the Kiss, these are the Kiss Pageboys. They're like a demi wispy. I'm gonna set with the Mario Badescu spray. If you have a favorite setting spray that you want to use, just go ahead and use it. I'm gonna spritz these. I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, and I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions or if I missed anything, I will be happy to answer them if you leave me a comment, and I will catch you in the next video. Toodles!